welcome back guys. In this video I have a Samsung television which is on 43-inch, and having the problem is overscale. As you can see, this apps going out of the screen, even on the bottom as well is gone out of the screen. So how do you fix this? In this video I'll show you. So you can go on the setting. As you click right click, you'll go on the display setting. As you click on the display, you'll get this window on the interface on your screen. So from there you can change display resolution. So this specific TV need a 1920 by 1080 recommended display resolution, so which is already we have it. So sometime you will think, okay, if we change it from there, and then like this option you'll have. So we already on the recommended setting, so which is not helping us. That's why our screen is overscale. So we'll show you another setting which is you can try from the your desktop. So another setting you can try from your setting. As you can see there, you can type control panel, and it will give you this NVIDIA, which is graphics card for your whatever graphics card you have. So we have NVIDIA. We will click on there, NVIDIA control panel. It will give you this type interface on your screen. As you can see, once you click, you'll have like this interface. So from there you have to go on there. As you can see, there is a lot of option. We'll click adjust desktop size and position, and then you'll have this type window, scaling and size. We'll click on the size. As we click on the size, you'll have this. Number one is use the picture setting on display. We'll select number two, resize the desktop if the display getting did not provide a proper fit. As you can see, we'll click enable desktop resizing, and we'll do resize, and we'll click apply and continue. And this is how you can resize. I'm sure you can see this arrow coming on the four corner of the screen. So as soon as it goes inside of your screen, all arrow come inside the screen, four corner screen. You can, even though your resolution is going bit down, as you can see, as you reduce it, his resolution is going bit down, but still your all apps will be inside the screen. So I think we can click OK. It will fit on the screen. Doesn't, and we'll click yes. There you go. Is all apps is inside the screen. So this is how you can resize your screen if it goes overscale on that TV when you try to use as a monitor. Thank you very much for watching.